Morning America. This is Caroline Williams. I need every... Start all over. Start this thing over. Excuse me. Good Morning America. This is Caroline Williams with High Witness News, keeping you connected. Please, please, please. Everyone, please just get... Everyone, just please get ready for Thanksgiving because Thanksgiving is coming next week. Cumberland County is only having 2 days of school. Would you quit it, okay? Excuse me. It is next week. The whole entire Cumberland County only has 2 days of school. And then every other day, no more school. Until the next week. This is Kelly Williams.